Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Dogecoin on Coinbase. First, you'll need to create an account on Coinbase if you don't already have one. The process is straightforward and involves providing some personal information for verification. Once your account is set up, you'll link a payment method, such as a bank account or debit card, to fund your purchases. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth buying experience. We'll walk through each step to get you started with Dogecoin. After creating your Coinbase account, the next step is to complete the identity verification process. This usually involves uploading a photo ID and sometimes a selfie. Verification helps secure your account and removes any initial buying limits. Once verified, link your preferred payment method. A bank account often has lower fees for larger transactions, while a debit card allows for instant purchases. Choose the option that best suits your needs for funding your account. With your account funded, you're ready to buy Dogecoin. On the Coinbase platform, search for Dogecoin or Doge in the asset list. Select Dogecoin and you'll see its current price and trading options. Enter the amount you wish to buy, either in US dollars or in Dogecoin units. Coinbase will show you a preview of your order, including any fees. Double-check everything, then confirm your purchase. Your Dogecoin will then appear in your portfolio. Now that you own Dogecoin, let's talk about security and what's next. Always enable two-factor authentication on your Coinbase account to protect against unauthorized access. For long-term holding, many users choose to transfer their Dogecoin to a personal crypto wallet for greater control. This adds an extra layer of security. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Keep an eye on market trends and continue learning about cryptocurrency to make informed decisions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.